bunch of leaks, some reliable leaks are coming up for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that mentions a complete list of its specification, where the notable point is the support of 120Hz for both displays. Recently we talked through Samsung's first 200 megapixel camera sensors with a teaser, and the next year Samsung Galaxy S23 might be the first to retain it. Don't stick with the earlier specs leaks, because now the full specs list is leaked for us. The smartphone specs leaker Yogesh Brar leaked it, who owns a reputable track for leaking. As Brar tweeted, the list seems exciting with some significant internal and external display features. Let's delve into these details. Firstly, let's talk about the vital segment of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This handset will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, while the previous Fold 3 had Snapdragon 888. The new upgrade might be in its RAM, with a new variant of 16GB RAM and another 12GB RAM, which will be paired with a storage of 256GB and 1200GB. This handset will be powered by One UI based on Android 12. We all know the Z Fold series is only famous for its foldable display. The inner foldable display is suggested to be 7.6 inch in size and QHGA Plus AMOLED with the support of a 120Hz refresh rate, which is the same as Galaxy Z Fold 3. And the cover display of it is expected to be an HD Plus AMOLED 6.2-inch panel with the support of a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 would feature a triple camera, where the primary camera with a 50 megapixel lens, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and another 12 megapixel camera with 3x optical zoom. And about its inner front camera, in foldable panel written a 16 megapixel lens, and on the cover display there will be a 10 megapixel selfie shooter. Its battery capacity of 4400 mAh battery and charging support of 25 watt are the same as the earlier version. Besides, about its price, there is no information yet. So that's all for today. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends. Go check out the description box below to book this awesome gadget, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest cool videos.